In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your PS5 controller not being able to work, or it's not pairing or anything like that. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you're trying to connect your PS5 controller. This could be to your PC, or it could be over to your console as well. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure it's charged up. So you're going to use the USB wire and charge it with something that, gives sufficient power. The next thing you want to do, if you're using Bluetooth for your controller, what you want to do is hold down your share button and your PlayStation button together. Once you start doing that for long enough, your controller, as you can see, is going to start flashing. And then that's how you know there's actually power in it. And then all you got to do is connect it with Bluetooth. If you want to play wired, you can also just do that as well. So connect the USB-C on one end and then the other USB-C or USB-A to whether you're playing on console or PC like I am. So, you have two methods. And if that still doesn't work, what you could do is on the back, you're going to see a little dot. So it's next to the Sony. All you got to do is use a little pin or anything like that to hold down and press on that little dot right there. And then that's basically going to reset your controller. And then you're going to have to reconnect it to wherever you want. And then you'll be good to go.